So I ended up picking up the SDS43. Seems pretty cool. It's got a lot of functionality here, lots of workshop tools. So let's start up in a few. All right. Hey, how's it going? So I'm at the local AutoZone when something catches my eye. Obviously, I'm already gone, but something caught my eye, and $320 later, here we are now in my vehicle. So I ended up picking up the SDS43. I've had a lot of good luck with the Innova products lately, or in the past. So I figured, why not give this thing a shot? Overall impression, seems pretty cool. It's got a lot of functionality here, lots of workshop tools. System reset, system test. Yep. So let's go ahead and get going, and let's crack this thing open. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the internet as I am still in the parking lot. This thing is literally a few minutes old. So let's start up in a few. All right.